Hi, I'm Julie from Peaceful Place Organizers. As I've said in previous videos, getting organized for life is a journey, and hiring a professional organizer is usually the last house on the block and the last step in the journey. People need to go through their own journey and their own process until they get to the point where they decide that they'd like to hire an organizer. Maybe you can identify with some of these stopping points on the journey. There are various things people do. Some people buy organizing books and read them. Some people elicit the help of an older sister, or she offers it to them, or their friend, and they usually have limited success with either one of those approaches. I'll talk about in future videos why that is. They do things like buy containers. That's usually the first stop is a store. Going to Bed Bath & Beyond or Home Goods and buying containers is usually the first thing people do. What is another thing? Watching the Marie Kondo show on TV, that's another thing. Maybe watching Hoarders, which is really not very helpful for getting organized at all. It's nothing to do with it. So all of these are steps along the journey. It can take people 20 years to decide, you know what, I want to get organized. I'm not able to do it myself. I would like to have some help. And then they call an organizer. So where are you in your journey? If you'd like to get it done, call an organizer.